What's up, everyone? Welcome back to WX Garage, and today we're actually in a garage instead of being on a driveway, which is wonderful. WX actual have a garage, yeah. Really cool video for you guys today. We have our buddy's STI here. It's a 2020, and these engine bays, they look pretty cool, but today we're gonna make it look a lot cooler. We do have a bit of news that I'm gonna be telling you guys with this video. First off, what are we doing? Well, we're making the engine look a lot nicer with a whole bunch of GrimmSpeed dress up parts. Huge shout out to them for sending that over. And it's pretty good timing to actually announce to you guys that we are officially sponsored by GrimmSpeed's. So we are part of Team GrimmSpeed now. Very excited. They are an amazing brand. You know, on my car that I have pretty much all of their performance bits. I have the intake, I have the catted downpipe, J-pipe, sorry. I have the boost controller. I'm gonna be doing engine dress up as well from them, and then a couple other things moving forward. So very, very excited to be partnered with GrimmSpeed. Again, amazing company. They make amazing products. And yeah. Let's do a quick unboxing.
Yeah, don't forget about what I'm doing back here, okay, Kevin?
Oh, yeah.
Not just the engine bay.
Okay, well, Kyle's also doing something really cool also. This is the F1 brake light. Both of us have them on our cars, but we've actually never really done a video on the installation, I don't think. So this one's special too because it is the acid green to match the STI calipers, which are right here. So we're also going to be doing the acid green from GrimmSpeed because they just released this product. It looks amazing. Let's show you guys. So as you guys can see here, we have pretty much all of the bits that you need. We have the radiator shroud that's gonna be going in front. We're gonna be doing the engine cover, and then of course the two fender vents, the two fender liners, replacing those with actual real metal that has airflow. It comes with all the hardware you need. It's a one-for-one replacement, so it's very, very simple to install. It also comes with a extra rubber gasket here to go on the shroud here, or the radiator shroud to help with airflow, sealing that airflow. So cool. Let's start disassembling those bits on the engine, and we'll get back to you guys once we are ready to put these on. So hopefully that time lapse made sense to you guys. Took only about 15-20 minutes. Took us longer to go find an Allen key set than it did to really do this, but a couple quick things. It's just 10 millimeter bolts and a couple pop. It's just a couple 10 millimeter bolts and a couple pop clips. Very simple. So we have the fender vents, we have the engine cover, we have the radiator shroud, and honestly, it looks so good. GrimmSpeed did a really good job choosing the right powder coat color to match those Brembos perfectly. And honestly, this engine bay just looks so much cleaner. So very excited. Again, huge shout out to GrimmSpeed for producing this because this was like kind of a special order item. Let's go to the back and see what Kyle's been working on. So here we are at the back of the car, and we have the special version of the acid green light bar, the F1 light. And let's see it turned on real quick. And honestly, the color match is not gonna show very well on the screen here, but it does match the calipers really, really well. And it does look really good. So let's see.
It looks so good at night.
And let's see the function.
Okay. And then there's the brake.
Brakes, you have the standard flash and then it turns off. And then you have the option in the wiring harness to turn that flashing off if you want, which is great. Yeah, looks amazing. This car is really, really coming together, and we're excited to have it on the channel more and more, so. Wow, cool.
I love the green.
Yeah.
I can't believe I like the green as much as I do. It just looks so good. At night, because it's a white car, you're just gonna see that green, the calipers green, and then the engine bay. It just looks so good.
Cool.
Awesome.
All right, you wanna send us off?
Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Oh wait. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this install, that install, if you guys want to see more of the STI, subscribe. We're gonna have tons more stuff. We're gonna spend as much as Jeff's money as we can. So thank you guys so much. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next week. Peace.